This is a 2005 Land Rover LR3 with the 4.4 liter V8 engine in it, and in this video I'm going to replace the oil filler cap with the tube and a new O-ring. The reason why I'm doing this is over time this O-ring starts to fail and allow oil past, and I've got a little bit of an oil leak on top of the valve cover. This part costs about 20 bucks. I'll put a link in the description on where you can buy this. To get to this, we need to remove the oil filler cap, take a 6mm socket. This can either be a deep or a shallow with an extension, and you're going to want to loosen all 4 of the captured screws on top of the engine cover and then pull him out of the way. To remove the tube, there is a tab that needs to be pried up, and we're going to use a flathead screwdriver to do that. We're going to go underneath it, pry it up, and then unscrew it. You want to clean off the area, reach inside the valve cover, grab a little engine oil and lube up the new O-ring, and then screw him on till that tab clicks. And there it is, and it's funny, once you get the new one on there, you'll realize how bad that O-ring is. This is a nice tight fit. Once again, I'll put a link in the description on where you can pick one of these guys up. For 20 bucks in about 5 minutes to stop an oil leak, that's not a bad deal. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Have a great day.